We all know we should flush our engines after every use. After a long day on the water, who wants to spend the time flushing their engines? Especially when everybody else gets to go up and relax. That's why we made the Flushmaster, the world's first portable, automated outboard flushing system. Just connect it, set it, start it, forget it. It's really that simple. Did you know that 90% of outboard warranty claims are denied because of corrosion issues due to salt water? The Flushmasters ensure your outboards get flushed consistently and effectively every time. Here's how it works. First, you would want to connect the Flushmaster to a water source such as a spigot or a hose. Second, attach the outlet hoses to your engines, and this is made easier with our quick connects. And finally, press start and you can walk away. The Flushmaster can flush up to 4 engines individually one at a time and then shuts off automatically after the end of the cycle. The task of flushing your engines is now complete and no need to come back later. The Flushmaster Quick Connects are specifically designed for Mercury's, Yamaha's, Suzuki's, and Honda's. Our Flushmaster line of products are backed by a 30-day performance guarantee, and if you're not satisfied, we'll buy it back from you. Flushmaster, flush your engines without flushing your time.